What's going on? Today we're going to assemble an AirThreds filter. First you have to assemble the frame, and it's super easy. Just snap the corners together like that. Then make sure all the joints are tight. Cool. Once you have all the joints put together, all you have to do is put it in the mesh bag. Once it's in the bag, just slide it up, make sure it's straight, and zip it up. Just like that, you have a brand new filter. Awesome, now that your filter is assembled, all you have to do is locate the airflow direction symbol and put it inside of your furnace. And just like that, you're good to go.